There you go. As you guys can see, there is no gutter. So what I need to do is like install a gutter here, and then so the bigger challenge is right here. The actual roof level is not even, like it's almost like 4 or 5 inch difference on the height, and I need to figure it out how to do it. And rest of them here, there's no gutter. So I'm gonna be installing the gutter here today, and you guys get to see it how I do it. All right, it's not how to, but you know, most of the time people do things and then they explain everything. Sometimes it won't be right, but it's not how to, but you guys can see how I do it. And then I've never done before, so this is my first time doing it. And then if I can do it, you guys should be able to do it by yourself too. All right guys, today's video is gonna be installing the gutter. So I need to install a gutter, and I don't have a gutter at my house. For some reason they didn't put it, but I'm picking the 5-inch gutter, the aluminum, that I'm gonna install today. Okay, so everything that I need I will pick here and take it home and start installing it, so that it won't take longer for me, because I have written all the things that I needed. So I'm gonna show you guys. Before inside mirror I need, I'm gonna take 4 of these ones, right? Yeah, there's like a lot of stuff that I need to pick, and I'll pick what I needed and load them up, go home and start installing it. All right guys, so these are the tools that I needed. So caulk gun, plier, scissor, drill, hammer, tape, and this jigsaw cutter. You know, everything is ready, so I'm going to start installing the gutter. There you go guys, finally the gutters have been placed and everything looks fine, and this is how I did it. Look at this spot right here. This was the thing that I was talking in the previous video, or not in the previous, actually a little bit problem here at the beginning of the video, but I figured this one out and put the gutters up and down so that I still have that enough space to drain it out. And this is how I lined up with it, and my gutter has like half an inch drop on every 10 foot, so that be easier for me to drain the water out. So this is how I did it, and every corners has this kind of stuff so that I can drain the water easily on the ground. So this was the messed up thing right here, as you guys can see, because there was no gutter and the water was falling on this thing almost every time. And this is how I changed everything, and the water has been draining out, and that spot looks dry. Let me show you guys on the other side. And this is the challenge. This is not a brand new house, it's an old house, but if you know how to take care of this stuff on time before it rots out or destroys everything, it'll be easier for you to save money on the long run, you know. So this is the other side of the house, and this is how I did it. Look, it's pretty much the same way like the other side, and everything has been placed, and the gutter is on the ground, and there is a pipe, and I haven't installed that one yet. But this is the final video of my gutter installation. So this is how I did it. It was totally messed up deck, and I redid it, put the new ones on, replaced, and made the new deck. Alright guys, if you guys like my video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye now.